These two are the excavators. Hey guys, welcome back to another video on this channel, and today we have all these building tools. Wow! So let's open them up and then let's play with them in the sand. Ryan, which one is your favorite?
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 6 and 7.
Like all of them?
Yeah, all of them.
These two are the dumpers. They take dirt and then they unload it where it needs to go. Good thing about the set is it has one for me and one for Ryan. This is the front loader, and I have two front loaders here. The front loaders, they move dirt long distances. And these also comes with two, so me and Ryan can both have fun. This is the Bulldozer. This one is for destroying large buildings. These two are the excavators. They pick up dirt and then transport it like this. These also has two, one for me and one for Ryan. And the last one is the cement mixer. This one basically mixes cement up and then it places it to make things like roads and parking lots and stuff like that. The dumper, or the excavator, or the bulldozer, or the cement mixer? Tell me which one in the comments below. Right, wait, let's fill it up. And now let's go. Let's go. Let's go with your dumper. Beep, 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 beep.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching, and make sure to press like if you like this video and subscribe. Bye!